here really quick. I have a guy who is very passionate that we hired 3 years ago. He was an English teacher that had a computer science minor. And my company believes in innovation. We've done so since 1952 when our founders started this whole thing, right? We always told that everything we do, we can allow our people to fly. If they have an idea and they have a passion, let them fly, right? We invested in this guy to go out and essentially attend some seminars where he learned about Unity, which is our tool of choice, and learned about XAPI, which is the coding on the back end that we use to kind of track the learner activity, right? And learn about the LRS and all that good stuff. I would say by letting him use 20 to 25% of his time to dedicate himself to educate, to go watch YouTube videos, to come to conferences like this and connect with companies and learn from other people, he was able to, by himself, build a prototype solution, which is now the platform that we use for a lot of our AR and now VR solutions that we offer. So to us, that was a pretty negligible expense when you look at it, because we're not talking about a highly paid engineer. This was a mid-tier instructional designer, right? That was given just the simple tools that we're used to, like Articulate Storyline, like Captivate. Then we got a Unity license, which is $1,500 a year. Right? So we were able to do all of that, and then he learned what he needed to, and then slowly iterated to the point where we spent the $200 on the Oculus Go, and that was it. We didn't spend in the canvas of things a whole lot of money to develop a solution that is essentially changing the way that our business operates.